Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use BIOS to check the build info of your HP SPECTRE X360 laptop. First of all, you have to get into BIOS. To do that, you have to shut down your device entirely, short press the power button, and in the process of launching you have to repeatedly press escape key until you see the startup menu. In the startup menu, press F10 and you'll see the BIOS right in front of you. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check the dedicated video about BIOS on this PC on our YouTube channel. Now, to check your device's build info, first of all, you can check all the data on the main page, like your system board ID, processor type, total RAM memory, BIOS vendor, and BIOS version. And if you want to check the detailed build info, select Device Firmware Revision. You can navigate to this option by using your up and down arrow keys to navigate in this category, and then enter to select. And this way you'll be able to check the firmware versions of many minor elements installed in your laptop. To exit, press escape, and to exit from BIOS you have to simply press escape and press enter to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.